Hello all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to calculate maturity amount and interest rate on your fixed deposit. Now, deposit amount is 1000 rupees, interest rate is 4.9% and tenure is 12 months. So, by investing 1000 rupees, after 12 months, you'll be getting certain amount. That amount is nothing but the maturity amount. That is, your principal along with your interest is nothing but your maturity amount. So in order to calculate maturity amount, we are making use of a simple function in Excel which is FV or future value function. So start off with equal sign and make use of FV function. Open brackets. First it is asking for the interest rate. This is for 1 year. So in order to convert it to month, just divided it by 12, comma, NPER is nothing but the tenure of the deposit, comma, I do not have PMT, so in order to skip that, just add comma. Next is asking for the PV. PV is nothing but the present value, which is your deposit amount. Make sure that you give the present value with minus because this is the amount that you are going to pay to the bank, right? So that is the reason I am giving it as minus. So 1000. Close brackets and then press enter. So this is the amount that you are going to get after 12 months. Now in order to know the interest earned, this is the difference between your maturity amount and your deposit amount. So in order to calculate interest earned, start off with equal sign, maturity amount which is there in cell B6, comma, deposit amount, and then press enter. So this is the interest that you have earned. And I have not just entered the amount rate and all. I have taken this particular amount and interest with reference to Bank of Baroda. So I just have the fixed deposit receipt of Bank of Baroda. If in case you invest in FD, this is the type of receipt that they'll send you. So, and here you can see that they have the terms and conditions. So you can see that the deposit amount is 1000, the rate of interest is 4.9% and the tenure is 12 months. And you can see maturity value is 1050. This is what we have got in our calculation as 1050. But in some of the banks like State Bank of India or HDFC, this tenure will not be in terms of months, it will be in terms of days. So I just have the fixed deposit receipt of HDFC. I'll just move on to the HDFC bank sheet. You can see this is the actual fixed deposit receipt that you received. So you can see that the deposit amount is 20,000. The period is 46 days and the rate is 6.25%. And here concerned with the period of deposit which is in terms of days. If it is in terms of dates, a calculation goes about happening a little differently. Your interest earned will remain the same, but you need to make changes to the formula of the maturity amount. So quickly I'll take the values of HDFC Bank that I have it in my deposit. It's 20,000, 46 days and 6.2%. So the deposit amount is 20,000 and this is 46 days and the interest is 6.25%. So hope I'm not wrong. I'll just cross check. Yes, perfect. So now we'll make changes or we'll put the formula for the maturity amount. So start off with equal sign. I'm making use of FV function again. So rate of interest is 6.25 again divided by 12, comma. Number of periods is 46 days. So we have to convert it into months. So what you can do, open brackets, your tenure into 12 months, close bracket and divide by 365. Comma, PMT we do not have anything, so just add comma, and PV is nothing but 20,000, make sure to give it minus 20,000. Close brackets and then press enter. So you can see that the maturity amount is 2158 and the interest earned is 158. So we'll see above the maturity amount that we have got. So you can see that the maturity amount is 20,158. So I even have the reference of UCO Bank. So this is the FD advice that you receive if you invest in UCO Bank. Deposit amount is 3,000. Deposit period is 60 days and the rate of interest is 5.5%. So I'll quickly make changes. So deposit amount is 3,000 and Interest is 5.5% and the tenure is 60 days. And the maturity amount you can see 3027, and you can see that the maturity amount is 3027. So this is how the actual calculation goes about. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive further updates.